This gorgeous Rockridge Craftsman home is proudly presented by Tom Watson with Hill & Company Real Estate. The home enjoys an inviting entry, a large living room with fireplace, and a dining room that's an entertainer's delight. The kitchen is spacious and bright and has plenty of counter space. The home boasts 4 bedrooms, refinished hardwood floors upstairs, and 2 full baths. The newly installed deck off the kitchen is perfect for summertime barbecues. The home is close to the shops and restaurants of College Avenue, and commuting to San Francisco is a breeze with easy freeway access and BART just 2 blocks away.